love this quote. You're not always going to be motivated, so you need to learn to be disciplined. It's a really good quote, and in theory, that works fantastically. When your motivation falters, your discipline should kick in. For me, it's not enough, and there is one thing that will always keep me on track, and it is not motivation or discipline. Hi friends, and welcome to Keto with Libby. I am Libby, and I'm on a journey to health using the ketogenic lifestyle. Today, we are talking specifically about my 13-month update and how in the world you can stay motivated on a weight loss journey, especially if you're in it for the long haul, because motivation and discipline fail me more often than they don't. So let's just jump right into it. So this month, in month 13, I have been eating the most dirty keto foods that I could have ever eaten in my entire life. And I know that I have told you guys in the past that I don't lose weight doing dirty keto. My body just is not at its best when I do that. And I can give you every excuse in the book. I can give you every reason why. I've just been so busy. I have just been so stressed. But in all reality, I have been unmotivated. I have been undisciplined and just straight up blah. I haven't eaten anything that's not keto. I did take a little bit of a break over Halloween, but then I got right back on the wagon. So it's not like I'm not eating keto. It is just very dirty, very convenient keto. Now, I recently watched the movie Fat Fiction. It's on YouTube. I will link it down below because I was feeling unmotivated in my journey. I was feeling very dissatisfied with myself. And I watched Fat Fiction again to find some more inspiration into my keto journey. And you know what? That actually really worked. And I really realized that the real reason I have not been successful this last month is because I lost sight of my why. I lost sight of why the actual heck I am doing this. I know I've talked about my whys on this channel before, and I highly encourage you guys to find your whys. And it has to be so much more than just the weight loss, because we know that the weight loss stops coming off, right? And we lose our motivation, especially when we're not losing the weight. So for me, my number one top why was to prevent type 2 diabetes and reverse my pre-diabetes, which I feel like I have done with the pre-diabetes, but it just is still hitting so close to home. The fact that I can just go back to my easy, simple, quick, convenient foods, even though they're still keto, they're still not the best that I could be eating. And I was just really frustrated with myself that I wasn't eating the nutrient-dense foods that I know is best for my body and is best for my hormones. So I completely lost sight of preventing type 2 diabetes. My second why is to break the dang cycle of unhealthy eating. And I did an entire video on this, and I sucked at this game this last month. I grabbed whatever food I felt like I was, wanting in that moment. If it was low carb tortillas, I grabbed them. If it was ice cream, I grabbed them. I mean, I didn't quite care what I was putting into my body. Yes, it was all still low carb and keto, but was it the best thing I should be doing for myself? Absolutely not. And then my third why is just for myself, like just feeling better overall, not even the weight loss, having more energy, the brain fog, not being so tired, being a more present parent, like all of those things I want to do for myself. And I wasn't doing those things over the last month either. I didn't quite care if I wanted to take a nap on the couch because I just downed 3 low-carb tortillas. You know what I mean? Anyways, I can be frustrated with myself all I want to, or I can just move on and do better, which is my plan for December going into month 14. I also need to talk to you guys about December because I am super excited to announce that I am going to be doing Vlogmas. So for those of you who do not know what Vlogmas is, because I did post in my community tab asking you guys if you like Vlogmas content, and some of you have no idea what Vlogmas is. Vlogmas is when I will be posting from December 1st all the way until the 25th, one video every single day. Typically it's like a vlog style day in the life, those kinds of things. For me, it is going to be my normal keto content. You are just going to see 25 days straight in my life of keto. I plan on doing recipes, holiday things, and all of the fun stuff. So I am super excited to announce that. So thank you guys so much for being here today. I greatly appreciate your support. Comment down below if you have found your whys. You don't have to tell me your whys, that's for you. But I just want to know if you have ever thought about going a little deeper than just the weight loss and then referring back to those things, because those are the things that just really help me to stay on track when motivation and discipline fail me. And I will see you guys on December 1st for a full 25 days of content. I am terrified and excited, but we are going to do it. It'll be great. And hopefully we can do a bunch of fun keto holiday things together. So we'll see you on December 1st. Bye.